Hello, Rashi here from Indriya Salon. So today we are going to be talking about pre-bridal services. Why is it very important to get your pre-bridal services? COVID is there, yes I know, everything is happening, yes I know, but the one thing that's still on is the wedding. So weddings are happening non-stop. Recently we have done our one of the makeup in Tirupur, and then I came back and I did another makeup in Coimbatore. I made to post the pictures. But yes, though COVID is there, weddings are happening. So the brides still want to look good. Photography is still happening. Makeup is really very important, and hence is equally important is your pre-bridal services, your facials. So today we are going to be talking about that. Why pre-bridal services? Why is it necessary? Some of you think that I'll just do something at home and finish it up. No, it does not work that way. For you to have a flawless look of makeup, so when you see some of the makeup pictures, you tell, oh, this is so amazing, it's very flawless, it's really nice. So how is that? There's some homework that's to be done before that. So that is why we recommend, I personally would recommend all my brides out there to definitely do follow pre-bridal services. That would include your facial, which is compulsory. Because why? What facial does is it removes the dead skins from the layer of your the skin, and hence your fresh new cells are up, and your skin looks very healthy. It looks very it's glowing. And on top of that, when we do the makeup, the skin and the makeup blends really well. So that is why we highly recommend that yes, you must get your pre-bridal services. So ideally, when should you be following how long back you should be following is 3 months is a very good time. If you do not have 3 months now, if the weddings are happening like in a very short period of time, then definitely I'm sure you'll have at least a month's gap. So what you do is at least follow with a cleanup and then a facial right 2 days before the wedding. Do at least that. It's going to help you majorly. The output of makeup is going to come out really well. This point is specially to be spoken from the point of view of the makeup artist. Once if their work has to turn out well, your skin also has to be good. So both hands in hand will go well. Which skincare products would I suggest? Then I would go with for professional range, I would go with Dermalogica. Very good, very fantastic for the brides to be and the grooms to be as well. Grooms also must follow the pre-services because they do not have much of the makeup part to be done. So of course their natural skin itself must be good looking, right? So yes, grooms and brides must follow the pre-services. And yes, Dermalogica is the brand that I would recommend you to go for pre-bridal services if you're taking facial, skincare, anything like that. Dermalogica is the brand. Very good with skin. It's a pharmaceutical range of product. The brand is from US and does not harm your skin or anything. It does not cause last minute acne or does not go wrong with the skin, because it does not have many variants like gold facial or diamond facial. It does not go like that. It works on your skin kind. So it has facial types like for aging, for acne, for brightening, and for sensitive skin. So it has only 4 variants. These are the major 4 types of skin that we have. So you just have to follow these things. Do not look forward to having a brighter skin. If you want brightness, then you can add a D10 to your facials. That's what you can do, because facials, these particularly Dermalogica facials, are meant to give glow to your skin and make your skin healthy. It exfoliates your skin really well. So it will just give the shine and the glow to your skin. But if you're looking for brightness, then I would suggest go with the D10 along with this. Yeah, so that's that about that. If you guys have any questions further regarding the pre-bridal services or what you should be doing, how you should be taking care of the skin, you can DM me, or yes, you can ask me right now also. There are lots of people waving, saying hi and all that. Yes, so hi and wave back to all of you. So yes guys, this is very important. Brides coming up August, September and October. This is one thing I would really ask to follow. Anything else, do let me know. So this is a quick tip. Pre-bridal services is must for the brides and groom. Products to be used is Dermalogica for this facials. You will find it in any A-grade salons. So just follow with these two things. Home care then becomes a lesser work. If you're going out to for any purchase of anything of your like wedding purchase, sunscreen is a must. Swear by the sunscreen. Do not miss it out. So three things, just three things: pre-bridal services, Dermalogica products for the facials, and sunscreen. And I think you should be then good to go. Your makeup will turn out flawless, and that's the tip of the day. See you guys soon. Bye bye.